Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Jennifer. Welcome back to Circle. I'm glad that you are here. I am going to... Oh, Gobo's sleeping right there. Gobo. Oh, guess he needs a nap. Here you go, buddy. I don't know what I was going to say. Anyway, let's see who's here today. I'm going to look through my magic mirror to see who I can see. Oh, whoa, what do you know? Jordy's looking back at me. Hi, Jordy. How are you? It's nice to see you. Welcome to Circle. And I see Noah and Ariana and Lily. I see Sybil and Sadie and Ben and Caleb and Wilder and Reiner. And I see Oliver and Eve and Julian and Ava. Hello. And I see Flora and Leela and Olivia and Elena and Sienna and Easton. Good morning. And I see Gray and Ayla and Kennedy and Emma and Keegan and Mackenzie and Parker and Dawn. There's Pumpkin. I see Irina and Una and Noah and Rand and Reagan. Good morning. And I see Indiana and Verbena and Mira and Antonio. I'm so glad you're at Circle today. And I see Charlie and Lorenzo and Atticus and Finn. And I see Remy and Colin. And I see Jillian. And I see, who's that over there? I see Dan and Emma. Good morning. And I see Carter and Parker and Ridley and Dawn. And who do I see way over there? Theodore and Grady and Ainsley. Hi, and Breas. Welcome to Circle. And I see, one more friend. Nash. Hi, Nash and Mason. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm going to put this mirror, the magic mirror, up and over the camera so you can see me and I can see you. Here we go. Welcome. I thought it would be nice for us to sing a song. Is it beautiful where you are? Or is it gray? It's a little gray here. It's hot, it's kind of muggy, but it's also gray. So let's sing for Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun, in sign language, you can just have a fist up like this. Sometimes people do a circle, that. And when you sing it, you can sing like this. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, shine for all to see. 'Cause these little children wanna play with you. So please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, won't you shine down on me? I like that song. It makes me happy. Would you like to do a game? You would? Okay. I'm going to think of something and you try to guess what it is. All right? Let's see. I hope Gobo comes and he can play with us too. The thing I'm thinking about is green. Any guesses? That's one clue. We'll do 5 clues. It's green and it is an animal. That's 2 clues. And it likes to hop. That's 3 clues. And it says, ribbit, ribbit. That's 4 clues. And the last clue is, it eats flies. Do you know what it is? Did you say a frog? That's right. You're right. You got it right, boys and girls. You're really good at this game. frog. You said it, Jordy. All right, I'm wondering, maybe Gobo would like to play with us. Gobo, could you come and play the guessing game with us? I think it's kind of fun when Gobo plays. Well, he's coming, boys and girls. And while I'm waiting for Gobo, I am going to blow my pinwheel. That's a fun thing to do, too.
Hey, friends.
Hi, Gobo. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad you're here. Boys and girls, Gobo did come.
Hi.
I'm really into banging these chimes over here whenever we guess something correctly.
Oh.
Yeah. We're playing a guessing game.
Okay.
Do you want to play?
I like guessing.
You like guessing?
I'm great at guessing.
I bet you are. Okay, so I'm going to give you some clues, and you try to guess what it is I'm thinking of.
Okay.
Okay? And I'm going to show the friends, but not you.
Okay, should I look away?
Yeah, look away for a second. This is what we're going to be guessing. Do you know what that is, boys and girls? Shh. Don't tell Gobo. There it is. Okay. Okay, Gobo.
Okay.
These are your 5 clues.
Okay.
It is small.
Ant.
Ooh, very good guess. But it's not an ant.
Oh.
It's something you can use to calm down when you are upset.
A small pillow.
A small pillow is another very good guess. Do you want some more clues?
It's not a small pillow?
It's not a small pillow.
Oh, yes, more clues.
Okay, so it's small, and you use it when you're upset. It helps you calm down. The third clue is sometimes it is very bright. This is a real head scratcher.
This is.
Are you guessing things at home? Those of you who didn't see what it was? So it's something small, something you can use to calm down, something that is sometimes bright.
Firefly.
Oh, that was like in our book yesterday. No, it is not a firefly.
Oh.
But that is a great guess because we love fireflies.
Yeah, we do.
The third clue is you can turn it on and off.
That's the fourth clue.
I'm sorry, the fourth clue is you can turn it on and off. Pumpkin just said, pew.
I don't know.
You still don't know?
No.
Okay. It's small. It's something that helps you calm down.
Yeah. It's bright.
It's bright.
You can turn it on and off.
You can turn it on and off. And if your name is Jack, you can jump over it.
Oh, beanstalk. I know that doesn't make sense.
Do you want me to
show? Oh, I know.
Oh, he knows.
I think I know. What? A candle.
A candle. That's right, Gobo. You guessed it.
Yay.
It was a candle. And we have this little candle as part of our calming corner kit at our house. Yeah, don't we?
We do, yeah. I use it a lot.
He uses it a lot. Can I show you how he uses it, friends? We turn it on. There's a little switch on the bottom because it's not a real candle you light. It's a battery-operated candle, so it has a switch like that. So we switch it on for Gobo, and we say to Gobo, count to 3 and blow it out. 1, 2, 3. And he did it! And you can help yourself do it by clicking the switch on and off, or have a grown-up help you. Oh, it's a nice, fun thing to have. We have a kit in our calming corner. Do you have one of those at home? A spot where you can go and just relax. Or when you're upset, you can go there to calm down. It helps, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
What is one of your things that you like to do when you're in the calming corner?
I really like to use the Kaleidoscope. Yeah, the kaleidoscope.
The kaleidoscope.
I'm a great kaleidoscoper.
Yeah, can I show my friends at home?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a kaleidoscope, boys and girls, and we keep one of these in Gobo's calming corner for him to look through.
It's really cool, pretty colors.
Really cool, pretty colors. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Oh, turn it.
Turn it. I am. Ooh.
Yeah, that's so great.
So many colors. And it kind of takes your mind away from things you might have been sad about or frustrated over. Or impatient about. You know Wembley?
Yeah.
Wembley ended up in the calming corner yesterday because he really, really, really wanted me to play with him with his toy car. But I was in the middle of doing something else, and he was frustrated. So he went to the calming corner, not even kidding you, and he got out the mirror card. See?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And for just like a solid 10 minutes, he sat there and made grumpy faces in the mirror card. You could do that too. If you had a mirror at your house and you were making grumpy faces and nobody wanted to see them, you could say, well, I'm going to go to my calming corner and I'm going to make grumpy faces into my mirror.
Yeah.
And before you know it, those grumpy faces, they turn into funny faces. Making silly faces. There's something else in the calming corner kit. Do you want to see?
I like this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
I'm going to play it and see if our friends at home can guess what the song is. Ready? And you too. You might know it.
I know. It's my favorite song.
It's your favorite song?
Yeah. Whenever I turn that, I love that song. It's my favorite.
Do you know what it is? I heard Mira guess it.
What is it?
Do you know the name of the song?
My favorite song.
Oh, it's your favorite song. That's what you want to call it?
That's what I call it.
Oh, it's a really sweet song. It's called Let It Go, Let It Go. From the musical Frozen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Because sometimes when we're in the calming corner and we're upset, we need to let it go, right? Just let it go. Because there's no point in being upset for a long time.
No.
There's another thing in the calming corner. Can I show?
Yeah.
These are Gobo's favorites because they're the same color as him. My favorite color. And Sarah's favorite color too. What color are you?
Orange.
Orange. They're orange. These are orange affirmation cards. Does anybody remember what an affirmation is? I heard Sage say it. That's right, Sage. And Rand, you're right. An affirmation is a true statement all about you. And you.
Yeah.
And me.
Pumpkin.
A true statement. And Pumpkin, yeah. So they have all different statements on them, these statement cards, these affirmation cards. And Gobo's going to pick one. And because Gobo is 3, I am going to read it for him because he doesn't yet know how to read. So with these cards in your calming corner, sometimes you might need a grown-up's help to read what they say, but you can pick the one you want for today. All right? So Gobo, you can pick the one you want.
There you go.
Woo!
Will you read that one for me?
I can.
Okay. Read away, Jennifer.
Gobo picked this one. It says, I know how to wait my turn.
I do.
You do.
I do. I'm a great waiter.
High five.
Woohoo!
You're a great waiter. Knowing something about yourself that you can do is really kind of a good feeling. It's nice to be able to say, I know how to wait my turn, and to believe in yourself, right? So often people say to us, just wait a second. Okay, well, you wait a minute, and it's hard to hear that.
Mm-hmm.
But then you can remember, Jennifer said, I know how to wait my turn. I got this. It's hard right now, but I can do it. Yeah. And our very favorite thing, dun 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 dun.
Dun.
I'm going to blow some bubbles, and
Yay! I love bubbles!
Gobo's going to catch them in his mouth. Because that's what puppets do. You shouldn't probably put bubbles in your mouth, but you could try to pop them with your finger. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm going to blow them to the boys and girls at home and then to you.
Okay.
Because you know how to wait your turn. Here you go. Oh my goodness, he got them all. Here's some more for you all at home.
My hands and my hair are really good at catching bubbles.
They are. Here's some more for you, Gobo. Oh, that just automatically makes me happy.
Yeah, me too.
When I'm feeling grumpy. You know what else helps?
What?
If I'm grumpy or sad, I can say to a friend or my cat Pumpkin or my mom or my dad, I can say, you know, I'm feeling kind of grumpy and I could really use a hug. Can I have a hug, please?
Yeah.
Oh, Gobo. Oh, you're so sweet. Well, I hope you have somebody at home you can ask that of too. And that you know how to wait your turn. So that maybe, just maybe, if it's not the right time, you'll get one a little later. Does that sound like a good idea? Let's sing a song.
Okay.
All right. Yesterday, I sang a really funny song about the itsy bitsy spider. Do you want to sing it with me?
Yeah.
Do you know that one?
Sure, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout, and down came the spaghetti and washed the spider out.
Spaghetti doesn't come down.
It wasn't spaghetti?
No.
Okay. What was it?
Um.
Down came the...
No.
No, I don't think it was snow.
No.
Rain, that's
Oh,
right.
Yeah, rain.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the big chocolate chip cookie and dried up all the rain.
No. Miss Jennifer, chocolate chip cookies don't dry up rain.
Oh, right. I'm sorry.
They don't come out either.
They
Now
don't.
that I think about it.
They don't. You're right. Okay, so the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the snake?
No, not snake.
No. Out came the squirrel?
No. Miss Jennifer, it's big and yellow.
Oh, the sun!
Yeah.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Whew! I'm so glad he was here to help me with that.
I got you back.
Thanks, Gobo. I hope you boys and girls have a wonderful day today and that all these songs about the sun made the sun come out wherever you are. Remember, be safe, be gentle,
and be kind.
and be kind. That's right. We'll see you next time. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.